Chapter 6, Part 2. Looking up to my mother, she said with a trace of concern in her voice, "Madam, I know you don't want me to repeat this question, but the gods give me strength. I can't help it. The job that I do makes your business my concern. Are you sure you're only 3 months pregnant? Because it looks like you're either carrying triplets or a special present from the elephant god himself. That girl over there," she pointed at Luan, "she won't have any problem taking this medicine. See, her body doesn't even show the pregnancy yet. You, I don't know." Leaning against the door, my grandfather commented, "My daughter is 4 months along in her pregnancy." "I knew it. I must tell you, madam, I don't think this will work in your case." Mrs. Tam shook her head. "Besides, it's too risky." Again, my mother interrupted the woman. "Never mind about what you think. I don't have any choice. You understand? I can't afford any more children. Just give me the medicine." "Okay, fine." The woman shrugged. "Here is a case for each of you. Inside you will find a black pill. Tonight, eat dinner as usual, and then take the pill at bedtime. Tomorrow morning, the fetus will be shed from your body. Bleeding and pain are normal signs. Don't be too alarmed. Any questions?" "1 pill? Do you think that will be enough for me? Should I take more than 1? "You? I think so. And for the girl, 1 pill should be more than enough." "Then give me 2 extra boxes." "That is a lot of drugs, madam." "I don't care. Just give them to me." "Fine," Mrs. Tam said, sighing. "Anything you say, but of course it will cost you more money." "I will pay you in a minute. But first, tell me more about the side effects. Will there be more risk for myself if I take the additional pills?" "Of course," the woman said, nodding. "Then for goodness sake, tell me what kind of risks are we talking about, old crone? What do you think? More pills mean more toxin, which means more bleeding and more cramping. But if you want more drugs, I will do what you ask. However, think about it carefully before you do this, madam. I can't stop you from making your decision, and I can't guarantee whether or not it will work properly. In all of my years of doing this job, I have never given the drug to anyone over 3 months pregnant. Not once, because everybody listens to me except you. So don't ask me any more what will happen to you, because whatever it is, I will not take responsibility. I have already warned you in front of your family. Now, you'll take it at your own risk. Understand me?" "Kuhan," my grandmother spoke up. "It's fine, mother," my mother said. "I know what I am doing." "Really, daughter? Do you really know what you are doing?" my grandfather asked. He looked dejected. "That will be 70 dong for the 4 boxes. I am giving you 10 dong off for good luck. May the gods help the living," the woman said. She got up and clasped her bag between her breasts and her arm. "Thank you," my mother said, giving the old woman her fee. No one uttered a word after the old woman left. On the floor lay 4 wooden boxes with gold writing scrawled across their covers proclaiming "O Kim." Underneath those words was a much smaller inscription, "For women only." "Luan, take 1, my mother said with determination. "Leave the other boxes for me." "Yes, madam," Luan said. "Do you want to give this some more thought, Luan?" my mother asked the maid. "You know that is your right to keep the baby if you wish to do so. And you don't have to do everything I do. I have my own reasons for my actions." "Yes, madam, I know. But like you, I have my own reasons. I'd like to take the pill." "Well, good. Looks like you and I are in the same boat together then. Take the pill with you and go prepare some dinner." My mother breathed a heavy sigh. Luan got up to take the box with her and disappeared behind the door. My grandparents withdrew to their usual corner without another word. "Mommy?" I asked my mother after everyone had left. My mother jumped slightly before she looked at me. Her eyes rose as she waited for my question. "What's going on? What are those little boxes for?" I asked her. "Nothing that concerns you." From his futon, my grandfather interrupted her. "What's the matter? Can't you even explain your actions to your own son? Don't do that to him. You owe him some kind of clarification. Explain it however you see fit, but don't brush him off like that. The child isn't stupid." "Dad, stay out of this," she said angrily to my grandfather, and then turned to me. "Nothing, honey. Everything is fine. Those boxes are for the adults. When I take these pills, they will make me stronger and lighter. They won't hurt me, understand?" "Are they going to hurt the baby instead?" I asked. My mother sank to the cold floor and shook as if a strong current were being shot through her body. Then, with a glare, she shot up to grab me by my shoulders and lift me against the wall of sandbags behind me. She bent over so that her eyes were level with mine and spat from between her white teeth. "What do you know about the pills, you nosy little—" "Listen to me and listen good. There are no babies inside my body. Everybody thought I was having a baby, but it turns out that everybody was wrong. These are healthy pills for me that will make me stronger so that I can take care of all of you snot-nosed parasites. If you ever breathe any of this to anyone, I'll kill you. Do you understand me? And for the Buddha's sake, don't ask any more questions. Keep them all to yourself. I don't like it when you behave this way." Unable to speak, I nodded my agreement and felt her grip loosen from my shoulders. The marks of her nails left a red imprint for the rest of the night.